Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Vallari and today I am going to create this look. I have already done my base with L'Oreal True Match foundation and now I am filling in my eyebrows. I am using grey colored eyebrow pencil for this. I am brushing them to see if there are any gaps and to spread the color evenly. Once my eyebrows are done, I am cleaning the edges with a concealer and spreading it on my eyelids to create a base for my eye makeup. Next I am using this eyeshadow from Coastal Saints palette. I am blending the color on my crease as well as outer corner of my eye. I am using a fluffy brush for this. While blending the color, remember to hold the brush as away from the bristles as possible. Next I am using this dark brown color on the outer V of my eye. I am going to blend this color on my crease as well. I am using a smaller brush for this. I am blending any harsh lines with a clean brush. Next I am applying MAC Rose pigment with a flat brush on half of my lid. I am applying the color on the inner corners as well. I am again blending the outer corner of my eye with the dark brown color that I used earlier. I am blending this color on my lower eyelid with a small brush. Then I am applying this dark brown color on my lower eyelid with an angular brush. Then I am blending the harsh lines. I am using this light color to highlight my brow bone. Then I am tightlining my eyes with a kohl. I am applying mascara and I am also going to apply falsies off camera. I am smudging the kohl on the waterline. I am finishing the rest of my makeup now. I am using the lipstick by Sugar. I'll mention the name in the description box. So this is the finished look, guys. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.